Hello everyone, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to cook HelloFresh meals. So when you first get your box of HelloFresh meals, it's going to come with like these laminated recipe papers. And so each of these papers corresponds to each of the recipes that you ordered, and it literally guides you step by step on how to actually cook the meals. So on the left hand side, this is what I usually start off with, in which I usually prepare everything that's listed here. So again, it usually comes with each of these laminated papers, I usually prepare everything that's listed here. So for this recipe here, the red hot chili pepper, I would get a strainer, 2 small bowls, large pan, small pot, potato masher, and a baking dish. So with this in particular, you won't have to worry about figuring out how to cook the meals, just because they do such a good job of actually guiding you on how to cook each of the recipes. This is what the recipe actually looks like. These are the ingredients provided. That's the name of the recipe. And so that is how you cook HelloFresh meals. And just in case you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet and are on the fence of thinking about it, I highly recommend it, just because it's so much better than a meal prep service where the food isn't fresh and it's also like pre-made. You can use my link down below in the description in order to get a free box with your first week. So that free box is about 3 different meals, I think. And these meals are so tasty. They taste incredible. I've been using it for a couple of months now. And if you use my link down below in the description, it would greatly help me out as well.